Okay, yeah, we're doing door 100 doors. This is actually legit. Um, so I forgot what you have to do. I think you have to come back here and collect the things, right? Well, we don't know because we're going to find out. We're probably going to die. I have no revives. I'm sure you can't do that. Hey there! Yes! Yes! Look at that! Oh my god. We're going to win. Oh no! Don't come here. Yay. Guys. Or more? No. I got there too many times inside. But I might, just might. This is enough to listen. This will be a very long video. I don't know what to do if I don't have a vlog. That's a pro game experience, guys. Oh wait, he's coming. Oh wow! Oh wow! He was right there. Yeah, I'm gonna. I was about to say that I'm very good at this. Oh well, I'm gonna take a picture actually, because I never got door 100. Door 100 was just, wow. Okay, I'm probably never again, but I hope the 4-minute video, door 100 didn't. Anyway, bye.